When it comes to general contractors, development, construction, you may think it's hard, gritty work, and it is. But Titan Development owner Frank Packer says it's also a labor of love.
It's just, I love hands-on. I'm a very hands-on person. I'm very, I do my own designs, my own layouts and everything. I've just always been switched on that way.
Packer has lived and worked in Cayman for the better part of 2 decades. A few years back, he had the chance to buy the company, and he took a leap of faith.
I always knew I had a dedication and drive to be in construction, and I've always wanted to be my own entity and do my own thing, right? I know it's very cliche, but I absolutely love my job. And I think if you've got passion and drive in anything what you do, you're always going to succeed, right?
Judging by the size and scope of his employees, he's doing just that.
Because before we only had 2 or 3 staff and everything was subcontracted out, but I noticed our standard of work and efficiency wasn't up to where I wanted it to be. So I restructured the company, I employed more staff, and now I have a lot of in-house guys, and since then we've just gone from strength to strength.
From 3 employees to nearly 2 dozen, and most of them have stuck with the company for years, almost unheard of in the industry. Frank says it's because he trusts his guys, treats them like family.
And I think that's very important.
He also treats clients like family. He and his team have tried to show those wanting renovations or other projects that it doesn't have to mean sawdust everywhere and major headaches for homeowners.
That's made a massive difference because, like I said before, everybody just, when they come to renovations, they just had to accept that it's going to be a dreadful experience, right? I don't want to be an experience, I want it to be from a nice situation right to the end, right, so we can hand it over.
Originally from England, he's always been involved in the development industry, and he's always hoped to own his own company, although his path to Cayman wasn't exactly straightforward.
Just by chance, actually. I was working in Florida. I used to own my own company in Florida as well, and an opportunity opened up to work for Sandals, and I took it, and it was only supposed to be an 18-month project, and it turned into almost 4 years. And then a hurricane hit, and we moved over to here. So.
Now, this is home, and his company is geared to ensuring your home is everything you want it to be.
I love what I do, and I love what I create. I've got a very crazy imagination, and I have a unique job. I meet new clients weekly. I'm on a different job site weekly. I'm not stuck in an office. I absolutely love my job. I create a rundown place into someone's dream.
To connect with Titan Development, visit findyello.com and Find Yello mobile app.